Shmita. In this video, let's see how to draw India map with states and capitals. Let's get into the video. So in previous video, I told you how to draw India map with a clear explanation. So I will not explain you. I will just directly draw the India map. So now I have completed drawing India map with outline, pencil. So now I will draw the outline of India map with sketch. So now I have been completed drawing the India map outline with sketch. So let's get started with drawing the states outline. So let's get started drawing the states from south. From this corner to this corner, draw a curved line. This is Kerala. Middle of Kerala, from middle to this box, again draw curved line. This is Tamil Nadu. Now let's draw Telangana. In this box, draw like a car. This is Telangana. Middle of Tamil Nadu and middle of this box, draw like this. This is Andhra Pradesh. Now leaving some gap from this line, draw half circle. This is Goa. Now from Goa to middle of Telangana, draw a slanting line. This is Karnataka. Continue from here. Like this. Close this. So this is Gujarat. Now let's draw Maharashtra. Continue from here. Leave some gap between this line and outline of Maharashtra. And until Telangana. So this is Maharashtra. This is Maharashtra. Now let's draw Rajasthan. Middle from Gujarat and middle from this box. Keep dot here. Draw a shape that's triangle. This is Rajasthan. Now let's draw Madhya Pradesh. From here, trace this line and here. So this is Madhya Pradesh. Draw Odisha, touching to Telangana and middle of this box. Draw like this. So this is Odisha. Now let's draw Chhattisgarh and Raipur. Make half in this box. Draw like this. Cover this area. First half is Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand. Second half is Jharkhand. Now let's draw Sikkim. Draw line here. This is Sikkim. Trace this outline until here. This is West Bengal. Now let's draw Bihar. Leaving half gap of Chhattisgarh, draw like this. This is Bihar. From this corner to this corner, draw a slanting line. Mark the middle. Draw a slanting line. This is Punjab. This is Haryana. Now draw slanting line. This is Uttarakhand. Draw like this. This is Himachal Pradesh. This half is Jammu and Kashmir. This is Ladakh. Now this is Uttar Pradesh. Now let's draw northeast states. Trace this outline. This is Assam. Draw a line here. This is Arunachal Pradesh. Complete here. This is Nagaland. Cover this two sacks. Big sack is Mizoram. Small sack is Tripura. This is Meghalaya. Now, this is Manipur. Now I will trace states and their outlines with sketch. So now I have completed tracing the outlines and names of states. So now I will erase the lines which are used for drawing the states and of India. Now I have been completed erasing the lines. So now let's see location and what are the states of India. Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Goa, Telangana, Maharashtra, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Sikkim, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Meghalaya, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Punjab, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh. These are the states of India. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. If you find any mistake in this video, please keep it in the comment box. I will check it. Thank you.